In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Smartsheet. Keeping your sheets tidy is one of the easiest ways to stay productive. When completed tasks pile up in View, they create noise that makes it harder to spot what still needs attention. The great thing is, Smartsheet has a built-in filter tool that lets you show only the work that matters right now. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll have a cleaner, more focused workspace. Start by heading to the Smartsheet website and signing in. I'll assume you're already logged in and looking at your homepage. Open the project sheet you want to clean up, the one where your tasks live. Everything we do next will happen right inside this sheet. At the top toolbar, click the Filter option. Think of this as your control panel for what appears on the screen. We'll use it to temporarily hide tasks that are marked as complete without deleting anything or changing the underlying data. When the filter window opens, give your filter a clear descriptive name. A name like Exclude Completed Tasks works well and makes it obvious what the filter does the next time you or a teammate need it. Naming also helps keep filters organized if you create several for different views. Now set the filter rules. Choose the status column since that's where your task progress is tracked. In the condition dropdown, select is not equal to. This tells Smartsheet to hide rows with a specific status. For the value, pick completed. With this setup, any task marked as completed will be filtered out of your current view, so only in progress or not started items remain. When everything looks right, click Apply. Instantly, your sheet will refresh and those completed tasks will disappear from view. Don't worry, they're not deleted. They're simply hidden based on the filter you just applied, and you can bring them back anytime by turning off or adjusting the filter. Take a moment to scan your sheet and confirm that completed items are no longer visible. If your team uses different wording like done or closed, just adjust the value to match what your status column uses. The key is that the condition remains is not equal to, and the value reflects whatever label your completed tasks use. And that's it. You've streamlined your Smartsheet workspace so you can focus on what still needs to be done. If you find this helpful, consider keeping this filter handy for future sessions to jump straight into a clutter-free view. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.